Carnival Jubilee on our background. It's like right there.
No, right here.
Oh, what? My bad. Wait, where am I pointing? What is
That's
it?
Norwegian.
Oh. Whatever. It's like right there. That's Norwegian Joy, and then Carnival Jubilee is... Oh, okay, right there. I think there's only like 2 ships on our side right now. And
It's still a busy port. Good morning from the Carnival celebration. This is day 5?
yes.
Day 5. This is day 5 in Costa Maya. Just woke up. We're going to get a little breakfast, and guess what?
It's tip of the day.
Tip of the day. Tip of the day today. You want to get a little quick breakfast, but don't want the crowd?
Especially at Lido Deck Buffet.
Mm-hmm. Guess where you're going to go? Pagan Anchor. So it's not quite as robust as the Lido Deck Buffet, but it still has enough to get you a good quick fix, you know? All right, so the breakfast of the day is kind of failed. But at least we know now that it closes at 8:30. So if you want to get in there to the mini buffet, get in there before 8:30. So we just did some Lido Deck buffet breakfast, and now we're just waiting on the girls to meet us over here at Deck 3, and we're going to go off in the port. Just going to do some walking around, some trinket shopping, get in the pool a little bit, and oh yeah, the bird cage. So,
Isn't there like a lazy river as well?
I don't think there's a lazy river. There's like tons of pools there and stuff like that.
Okay.
So I wish there was. That'd be awesome. So just waiting on the girls, you know, teens, if you have one, you know. And we're off the ship. So it's a little warm today. Not quite as bad as Roatan, but still pretty nice. A little warm.
It's humid.
It is. And if you've been here at Costa Maya, you know he got that long pier. But you do have the little trolley to go to if you like.
One of the coolest thing we saw at the port is what they called Papanta Flyers. It is located at the heart of the port and right across the ruins. The ritual of the Papanta Flyer is a pre-Hispanic ritual where 4 flyers climb to the top of the 30-meter post. As you can see, it's quite high on this video. And they sit on top of the 4 sides of a wooden square. The 4 flyers simultaneously fall backwards into the air, and they are only attached to the top of the pole only by rope around their waist. They spin around the pole, flying upside down and spreading their arms. During this ritual, a 5th member dances and plays the flutes and drums. It is said that the ceremony was created to appease the gods and ask them to bring an end to a severe drought.
Once again, let's put your hands together for the Papanta Flyers. If you want to take a picture with them, please come closer and remember. Welcome to Costa Maya. Welcome to paradise.
Don't forget your
We're doing the bird cage, as I call it. Yes, we have to pay. All right, here we go. Mama's leading the way. It's a little wobbly. And you go right over the pool too. And quite the view.
Are you scared?
Not really.
Oh, I'm scared.
Yeah, I called her bluff. Godzilla.
Look up. Or what's look up?
Because there might be a bird.
I don't see a bird. Where are they?
Grass growing from the ceiling.
Oh, maybe they're hiding on the corner. See, like there's some like holes.
Yeah, it could be. Not too high up. Hey girls, wave!
Wave. I feel like my knees are shaking.
And she wants to do the ropes course on ship too? This is nothing. Okay, yeah, sorry we had some microphone difficulties while we're walking through the bird cages, as I call them. So we thought we would come through and tell you guys about what we experienced there, and what the bird cages, as I call them, or the aviary. Aviary, yeah. What the bird cages are all about.
As you can see in the video,
It is located above most of the port area, where it's also overlooking the pool and then where the dolphin encounter is. The ground level of the aviary is where the habitat of the flamingo is, and it is where like the entrance and where the admission of the aviary. It is, all of the aviary are connected with overhanging bridge. It's made of like rope bridge, pretty much.
Yeah, those are fun.
And for safe purposes, they do, some of those overhanging bridge, they do have like the net on each of the sides.
Yeah, so you don't have to worry about falling over.
Yes, but sometimes it is wobbly though.
Okay, that's fun. I like it.
Yeah.
I like scaring her a bit.
It does cost money to visit those aviary. For adults, it costs $14, and for kids, it costs $12.
Yeah. One thing that I noticed that with every one of the bird cages, I'm calling it bird cage, is that there were double doors. So there was kind of like a in between. You would open one door, you go into a spot where there is nothing in there. Then you have to open up another door to get actually inside the bird cage. Do that to make sure birds don't get out and they fly away. Some of them, not all of them, I'd say about half, had a double door and netting. So they really make sure that the birds can't get out. Overall, I think it took us about about an hour to get through everything. Depending on how much time you take in there to really, look at the birds and read all the placards and everything like that. It might take you longer. We looked at the birds. We enjoyed them. All right, the birds are mostly domesticated, so they're used to people coming through. We didn't have anybody land on our hand or have like a like a Snow White moment or something like that.
What moment?
Snow White, freaking where she'll talk to the birds and go on her finger and stuff. Yeah. So we didn't have any of that. None of them landed on our shoulders or nothing like that. But they're used to it, to humans. They can get kind of close. A couple of them. I try to get them to come on my finger. They wouldn't. Maybe they just didn't like me. But there were about I think around 8 to 10 of the bird cages there with the rope bridges in between that I like terrorizing Shedney and the kids with, jumping up and down. But yeah, it was overall it was a pretty decent experience. It was pretty chill. You didn't feel rushed. It's self-guided, so you don't have to worry about guys saying, "Oh, okay, well let's go to the next one," and you're like, "No, well, I'm not done." Looking at the birds and stuff like that. It was relatively cheap considering that port. That port is actually pretty expensive. Like a Coca-Cola cost me about $5. And I'm not talking like a big one. I'm talking like a little can. It's a very nice, chill part of it. You can pay it there, or you can go through Carnival, and I think it's around the same price. So there's no advantage to going through Carnival for that. But yeah, as you see, after we went through the bird cage with the kids, we went over to the pool area where you pay like $28 and you get a pool chair, umbrella, and your very expensive drink. But yeah, back to the video.
Okay, I ordered this mango daiquiri and this one right here, and my daughter's virgin pina colada daiquiri. It costs $38. That's a lot of money.
Edit this out. Is that $38 piece or total for two?
Total for two. So we'll see.
And when we got over here, I just went into the pool, went up to the swim up bar, got a Coke and a water, and that was $12. So
It is.
But the tip of the day, since we missed the guys' breakfast buffet, is when you come here to Costa Maya,
There's alcohol in it.
when you come in here to Costa Maya, stick to the left. Once you get to the flyers, just turn left. You'll get right over here. I mean, there's hardly anybody over here. Take a look around. Beautiful view of the ship, but they will kick you out unless you do order food or drink. And as you heard Shedney say, and what I've told you about how much that coconut water is, they're pretty expensive. So, but it's probably gonna be hot here, so I mean, at the very least, just get a water. But that's our tip of the day today. All right, guys, Sheds and I went over to the main pool, and yeah, not really our vibe. Bigger pool, of course, but yeah, that's very party centric, and we saw a lot of like college age students over there, college age adults over there. Just that's a whole different vibe than over here, where it's just nice, relaxed. So we're gonna hang out here for a little bit while longer, and then Shedney says she's gonna try to get some vanilla, and then just get back on ship. Relaxing day. We got a little ice cream action going on. You can get the smaller one for 8 and bigger one for 10. We decided to go with taro with some coconut. And kids, of course, got theirs.
Hey guys, so we are back from Costa Maya. The ship left already. It was just like a chill day. We're just like chilling right there by the pool. We are just here at Golden Mermaid. We're getting our pre-dinner drinks. And our dinner will just be at the beach buns today. Nothing too fancy. Tonight's show, we're probably gonna go for a deal or no deal game. Probably after deal or no deal, either gonna check out some movies, or I know there is an 80s rock and glow party tonight, and so we'll take you with us. Either or, we're just gonna have a good time.
And we're on the way to beach buns. Line looks like it's already pretty long.
Carnival Jubilee, are you ready to fight deal or no deal? Well, it's showtime now. We're going to take this live on the big screen on stage.
We're gonna call it a night. It's early. It's on like 9:20, if that, at night.
Yeah, it's 9:20.
And we are not gonna make it to the dear future husband reception at Dr. Ink's or the 80s party, unfortunately, because I guess we're old and need too much sleep. We learned that we have to be up ready to go at 7:15. So we're gonna go ahead and call it a night. We did an impromptu journey over to the Havana bar and saw the band over there for a couple songs. Hope you guys enjoyed that. But yeah, so that's gonna do it for us for day 5.
Yep.
And tomorrow we got Cozumel. We're doing Explore Park, zip lining, underboard caves, all sorts of fun, but it's going to be strenuous and early. So we hope you follow along. So go ahead and if you like what we have shown you guys so far, go ahead and give us a like, give us a subscribe, and we'll see you guys.